This is a wide open aperture. This is a closed aperture. This gives you shallow depth of field. This means everything in the image or in the frame is sharp. In the previous video, we covered aperture, shutter speed, ISO, as well as light metering. All those factors are developed to properly expose your image. Well, the use of aperture is not only limited to the exposure of your image or film. Aperture also plays a vital role in achieving interesting visual dynamics in your image or film. One of the dynamics is also referred to as depth of field, DOF. There's a wide range of techniques that you can use to achieve depth of field. Choice of aperture, focus distance, the type of lenses, as well as the type of camera. Concisely, wider aperture and closer focusing distances lead to a shallow depth of field. This also gives you that buttery, bokeh-licious, blurred out, blown out background. This is the part where I beg you to hit the like button, smash that subscribe button, ring the little bell right next to it. But at the end of the day, you're gonna do whatever you want, right? Like or not like, subscribe or not subscribe. I appreciate you watching right now. Peace. Bloopers! Bloopers! Enough to help someone. Hey, no time.
Action.
Alright, we gotta go. Out. We're out.
Out.
Cut. Then cut.
Cut.